In this video, I'm going to show content creators how you can set up your studio on a budget for the low. Yes, we can. So we're going to take a look around and I'm going to show you how I set up. Now, let's keep in mind, I've been doing marketing for quite some time, so I've invested in some of my equipment and some of my things, but I'm going to show you how you can do it for the low and still nice good quality while you're recording, and how you can just invest a minimum amount and build your money up so that you can grow your brand. So let's get started. Hey, this is Rae Vonshae, the marketing queen, and welcome to Rae Nation. Let's get into the video. Let me tell you something. When I got started, I was able to use lamps from Walmart. All I needed was a tripod and my cell phone. As long as your camera is pretty up to date and you got a Walmart lamp and a tripod, you can work wonders. A lot of people don't tell you that. They tell you got to invest in all of this stuff. In my stationary office setup, I have my basic desk, my laptop, my office chair, a printer, and a table lamp. Nothing fancy. And then I have my camera, and behind my camera is an umbrella light that faces me when I'm recording. And that's basically all I use when I'm recording. As long as you have your lighting, that's the main thing when it comes to recording. With my mobile setup, all I have is a mobile desk that I can roll around from room to room. If I want to work from my couch, I can. And I have my tripod, my books, my laptop, my microphones. Microphones are very important when it comes down to recording. And then all you see is my lighting. Again, lighting is very important. So basically, this is all I have with my mobile setup. When you set your lighting up, you make sure that one lamp is behind you, like at a corner, at an angle. And then you make sure that one light is directly in front of you, right behind your camera, so that you can get that light onto you. Once you get that light facing you, you can actually find your light. And then you move your camera around until you find that perfect lighting that suits you. And then you adjust your camera up and down. When you're using your cell phone and you want to make a YouTube video, turn your phone sideways. Turn your phone horizontal, because you want it to look like a TV screen. The way it fit in a TV screen, that's the way you want it to look when you're doing your YouTube videos. If you're doing TikToks, shorts, or any type of reels, you want to turn your phone straight up and down. So hold it vertical. So these are two different ways that you hold your phone when you're shooting, and you gotta know which way you're gonna shoot and what you're shooting for before you start shooting. So you wanna decide, before you even get started, you wanna decide, what am I doing today? Am I doing a Facebook Live? Am I doing a Facebook Reel or TikTok? Am I doing Instagram Reels? Am I doing a YouTube video? Then you decide how you hold your phone. So once you decide how you're gonna hold your phone, that's when you record. Okay, TikTok, straight up and down, vertical. YouTube, sideways, horizontal, because you want to be able to have, when you start getting in front of your camera, you want to be able for people to watch it on their TV. You don't want all that black space on the side of your videos like that, so you want to make sure that you're doing it the right way. Now, if you got a good enough camera, you can turn your phone to where it's selfie mode, and you can look at yourself in the camera so you can see how you looking. If your camera is not as good of a quality, it's not as new or it's not as updated, and you don't know your pixels, get your camera to where you want it to sit like this, and then turn around and turn it around to where you're using your back camera. So anytime you use your back camera, you may not have a lot of megapixels. You may not know what your megapixels are. Go ahead and do it selfie mode to find your lighting and find find out how you want it to look. Then turn your camera around to where you facing the back. So you won't be able to see yourself at this point, but you're gonna get a better quality from your camera because it's turned around. So now all you have to do is flip your camera around, because you already got your angle, you already know where you're gonna sit, you already know that. Flip that camera around and then just start talking from that point. And then you just gonna have to check over it when you get finished. Start out using your selfie mode, because at least you're getting a chance to be in front of the camera, get accustomed to it and all this type of stuff. And then when you want to upgrade your quality, you're going to either go for your back camera and then you can put yourself a mirror behind yourself. Like say for instance, if you're just doing your back camera, you can't see yourself in like selfie. Like with selfie, you can see yourself. When you turn it around, you ain't gonna be able to see yourself. So you're gonna have to go back here and check, make sure everything all right. Then you push that button and get back in front of it. You can edit that part out. But then when you're doing that, you could have a mirror that's standing up behind your lighting. So have that mirror standing up behind your tripod so that you can actually see yourself at least, because you can't see yourself through the camera because the camera facing the other way. So it's all different ways you can do it, or you can just invest in the camera at this point to where the camera flips around. I got a Canon M50, so mine flip around and it shows me I can still see myself even while I'm filming. So either way is fine, but guess what? Just get started. The tripod is the most important thing. You can have a small tripod where you sit on your desk, on your tabletop. You don't even have to have a desk. You can have a doggone table that you eat on. Use your table, whatever you got. Use your desk, your table, whatever you got. Sit your tripod there. Move it back. Get in front of the lights and record your videos. The link to all of my studio equipment will be in the description, and I will also pin it in the first comment for you guys. Guys, if you like this video, make sure to click subscribe, share, and comment below Rae Nation so that I can know you stayed to the end. Have a great one. Goodbye.